Want to play music from Spotify or Wonderly or other streaming apps on your Alexa Echo Dot? After linking any of the music streaming app, you can enjoy your favorite songs just by asking Alexa. In this video, I'll show you how to add music streaming apps like Spotify to your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. So let's begin. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Then tap on the More icon. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down, find the music and podcasts. Tap on it. Now, scroll down. Here you'll find the Spotify. If you don't see it here, then tap on Link New Service. Here's Spotify. Tap on it. If it's not showing anything, then go back home and open your Spotify app. Make sure to sign in to your Spotify account. Here, you will see a pop-up to link Alexa with Spotify. Simply tap Link to Alexa. Now tap Link here. Then tap Agree. Now you can select this as default, or you can avoid it by tapping Maybe Later. Now try this out. Say, Alexa, play music from Spotify. And this is how you can add music streaming apps like Spotify to your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.